Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload audio in Roblox. So if you want to upload audio in Roblox, what you have to do, first we go to roblox.com. okay, so when we go to roblox.com you will see like this page. Okay, now what you have to do, here you will see four options: discover, marketplace and create. So you have to click on that create option. Okay, so when you click on create option, here you will see like this. Now here you will see in dashboard, documentation, store, talent. So you have to click on the dashboard. Okay, now click on dashboard, and here you will see options: experiences, event, avatar items and development items. So now you have to go avatar items, and here you have to scroll down, and here you will see upload assets. Click on it and scroll down, and here you will say t-shirt, pant, record or decal or audio. Click on this and click on audio. Now you have to select it from your desktop. So like this you can upload audio in your, after that you can just click on upload audio in Roblox. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.